Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've scoured Amazon to find the top 9 coolest gadgets from Amazon. From innovative tech to handy tools, we've got it all. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. 9. Hatchery Store. Many of us are way too familiar with struggling to fall asleep and stay asleep when we're worried and tense. Even as a sleep researcher who knows the importance of a good night's rest, I sometimes find it difficult to fall asleep when life gets stressful. One solution can be as simple as creating a sleep routine. Incorporating smart devices like the Hatch Restore into your nighttime ritual can help create a better environment to encourage better sleep habits. Research shows that committing to a bedtime schedule can significantly improve sleep quality and mood. Your sleep routine doesn't have to be boring. It can consist of enjoyable, peaceful activities that direct the mind and body to relax. The Hatch Restore is among the best options that I recently tested out for our sunrise alarm clock guide, and it contains the most sleep sounds, light options, and soothing content of any model we tried. 8. Fun Snap Capture Gimbal. The Fun Snap Capture 2 handheld gimbal stabilizer is a 3-axis stabilizing smartphone camera gimbal that can auto-track your face, keep your photos blurry-free, and make your videos look more professional than ever. The stabilizer is a YouTube vlogger's dream as it can transform your phone or GoPro into a state-of-the-art, high-tech camera. The gimbal can pan, tilt, zoom in, and enter various recording modes that can highlight your subjects to the max. I personally love the look and feel of the gimbal, especially the comfortable grip handle. If you're someone who struggles to take good videos or is a content creator that wants beautiful footage at an affordable price, then join me in this review to see why you should invest in the FunSnap Capture 2. Capture 2 attempts a different approach, and here are a few reasons why it outdoes even your most advanced smartphone. All you need to do is unlock the arm and place your phone into the holder, and that's it. When you power on the Capture 2, it'll automatically lock its parts into place so that you can start your professional recording session. 7. Okupa Union 5S. Hand warmers have come a long way from basic single-use pocket warmers to rechargeable electric warming devices with better run duration, heat retention, settings, and reusability. And here we have come up with a hand warmer from Okupa, which is a brand that represents quality, sustainability, and purposeful innovation. And this Okupa Union 5's hand warmer is no different than that. Meet the Okupa Union 5S, the world's first modular rechargeable hand warmer. It's designed to keep you comfortable and comes with a temperature memory function that lets you enjoy the perfect amount of warmth as soon as you turn on the device. The Union 5's revolutionary modular design makes it detachable, rechargeable, and built to last. When you take a closer look at this hand warmer, its construction is pretty sturdy as the heating case is made with an aluminum alloy shell. 6. Wicked Lasers Flash Torch Mini. When it comes to backpacking and camping, multipurpose tools are a great way to minimize the amount of gear you need to haul around. The Flash Torch Mini is touted as a 3-in-1 flashlight, stove, and torch. The device is a smaller version of the more powerful full-size flash torch that produces 4,100 lumens. Regardless, the Mini still dishes out an absurd 2,300 lumens, which you'll see is still more than capable of setting things ablaze. With that much power, the Flash Torch Mini can certainly illuminate. But as rhetorically noted by the manufacturer, why merely illuminate when you can incinerate? That's a hell of a sales pitch. 5. Hodo. The Hodo 40-in-1 is a versatile and compact toolkit that packs a punch with its diverse range of functions. Combining the convenience of portability with a comprehensive array of tools, it's designed to cater to various needs, whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a technician, or simply need a handy set for everyday tasks. From screwdrivers and wrenches to precision instruments like tweezers and magnifying glasses, this all-in-one solution ensures you're prepared for any task that comes your way. Its innovative design optimizes space without compromising on quality, making it an essential companion for workshops, homes, or on-the-go fixes. With the Hodo 40-in-1, tackling repairs, assemblies, or adjustments becomes efficient and hassle-free, empowering users with the right tools for the job whenever and wherever they're needed. The Hodo 40-in-1 toolkit stands out not just for its extensive range of tools, but also for its durability and reliability. 4. ELO Sedlow Safety Signals. When you are riding in traffic, your lower back is by far the most visible part of your rear-facing silhouette. The innovative and unique Sedlow cycling rucksack with its integrated indicator display is designed to maximize your rear visibility and also provide useful warning signals about your movements to following vehicles. The Sedlow Pack from ELO is a lightweight packable riding rucksack. The bag folds into itself to create a pack size little larger than that of a lightweight windproof and weighs only 365 grams inclusive of the electronic indicator display, explained below. This compact size makes it ideal for stashing in a pannier or pocket to provide extra carrying capacity on shopping trips or errands. The pack is made from water-resistant ripstop nylon. It is a lightweight fabric and not designed for extensive use and abuse, but it does brush off showers and rear wheel spray with ease and is durable enough for light loads. 3. Royal Railwrite 2. The Royal Railwrite 2 is a very unique product when it comes to taking digital notes. You write on a piece of paper and anything you write is automatically converted to digital on your smartphone or tablet via their official app. This is great for a number of professionals who often write on paper or students who transcribe lectures. Unlike EINK-based e-notes, the Royal Railwrite 2 is really affordable. You can pick one up for $200 and it comes with a binder full of paper, a stylus, and the device. Railwrite 2 is a retro and stylish notebook designed with synthetic leather and premium aluminum. Sleek, bendable, and compact design, similar to an 8-inch tablet. It can digitally capture your handwritten notes, ideas, and drawings on real paper and transmit them to your smart devices. With the magnetic design, you can avoid looking for the pen. A more subtle design is that the pen will be automatically charged once placed into the magnetic groove on the notebook. 2. Silvox. A Silvox Pool Series Full Sun Outdoor TV finds itself in a bit of a quandary. On one hand, it gets incredibly bright, and at $2,299.99 for the 55-inch model we tested, it's downright inexpensive for an outdoor TV. It puts out twice the light of the Sun-Bright TV Veranda Series 3, $2,898.95 for 55 inches, and is within spitting distance of the Samsung's Terrace Full Sun, $9,999.99 for 65 inches. On the other hand, its smart TV platform feels like an antique and its colors aren't particularly accurate. This isn't a perfect TV, but it's a strong value if you want a relatively affordable TV you can mount outdoors and watch in the sun. You aren't going to find much variation in outdoor TV designs. Each one we've tested has had a similar blocky shape because that's what's necessary to make a TV weatherproof. The Silvox is covered in a matte black metal chassis with a slightly nubbly texture. 1. IPX7 Waterproof Bluetooth Speaker. The IPX7 waterproof Bluetooth speaker represents the pinnacle of versatility and durability in the realm of portable audio devices. Engineered to withstand the elements, this speaker is the perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures, from poolside parties to rugged camping trips. With an IPX7 rating, it can be submerged in water up to 1 meter deep for 30 minutes without any damage, ensuring peace of mind even in the harshest conditions. But its resilience isn't its only stand-up feature. Equipped with advanced Bluetooth technology, this speaker seamlessly connects to your smartphone, tablet, or any other Bluetooth-enabled device, allowing you to stream your favorite music wirelessly with uncompromised audio quality. Whether you're enjoying a relaxing day at the beach or embarking on a thrilling hiking expedition, the rich, immersive sound of this speaker will elevate every moment. Furthermore, its compact and portable design makes it easy to take with you wherever you go. And there you have it, our top 9 coolest gadgets from Amazon. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, stay tech savvy and stay awesome. Bye for now.